So over the past few years, we've had the pleasure of working with many fintech companies, and we often get asked to build, a new digital product. And so we wanted to share the three main success factors to consider when launching a new product within the fintech industry. Number one is truly getting a good understanding of the underlying business model. So what exactly is this product going to be doing? Who are the customers, the end customers or end users? What pain point is it going to be solving? What's the vision, right? So really getting a good understanding from the base level of the end-to-end flow, the vision, understanding, what the best path forward might be from designing this. Is there a product roadmap? Do we have to help develop it? But again, just in summary, it's just really getting aligned on the product scope, the product vision, and what this product is actually going to be doing, right? And how it's going to be simplifying people's lives or executing on XYZ functionality. Which leads to the factor number two, which is knowing the best potential solutions that are either available or different tech stacks to build in. So really thinking about what, from this product perspective, right, from what we need to build, what is the best path forward? There's a lot of things that you need to take into consideration when building fintech products, such as, not only having products that have an amazing user experience, but that are highly scalable, that are reliable, that are performance driven, and also, are secure from a cybersecurity standpoint, which is super important. Typically, there's sensitive data or PII that needs to be protected. And then also being able to adhere to regulatory and compliance standards. So these are all important factors to consider. Just giving a quick example, you might be building a new product and the question might be, do we need a native app like an iOS Swift, or can we build a React hybrid application, or can it be in Flutter, or whatever the case may be, right? So really just being able to evaluate and determine what the best path forward is. So in summary, thinking about, the tech stack, the solutions, the integrations, and what that user journey is going to be, what data needs to be captured to ensure the product is built properly. Success factor number three, which is incredibly important, is there's dozens of different paths forward of potentially building a product. You can choose to build it completely in-house. You can choose to bring in a technology partner and do a hybrid approach, or you could completely outsource it. Regardless of which path forward you take, what's really important is being able to think about, is this partner, is this team trustworthy? Do they have real domain expertise in fintech? Have they built products before? Do they understand the complexity and the different regulatory environments and other things that are incredibly important? And so making sure that partner or that team has that experience, but also the partnership mentality in the truest sense of the word. I think oftentimes companies kind of claim to have that mindset, but in reality, they're a bit transactional and trying to build quickly, take shortcuts. And what that leads to is accumulating technical debt that ends up becoming costly to maintain and stifles innovation in the future. So again, being able to kind of work with a partner that's truly invested in your success long-term is usually something that's going to result in success because the incentives are aligned. And that's typically how we work. We're always looking at what are the best possible paths forward? What are the options that you have? And then being able to scale up and down as needed to help you deliver and execute on that product vision and achieve your business objectives. So in summary, wrapping up the three success factors, point number one, or success factor number one, is a true understanding of the business model, the end customer, the vision, and ensuring that there's a good product scope alignment. Number two is knowing the best possible technology solutions or tech stack and ensuring that the product is built in a way that's secure, compliant, scalable, and highly reliable and performing. And then lastly, success factor number three is being able to identify the right partner and ensure that they have the right long-term mentality of partnership and really putting your interests first and having that level of true fintech domain expertise and technical experience to be able to deliver and execute at scale. So those are the three success factors to consider when building a new fintech application. Again, if hopefully this video is helpful, but if it's something that's interesting to you or you're looking to potentially build, feel free to reach out to me. Love having conversations and seeing how we could potentially help. And a quick conversation will help us determine if there's a fit, if there's alignment. If so, great, we continue. If not, no harm, no foul. We probably will learn something interesting and have a cool conversation to exchange some insights. So thank you so much for listening, and I look forward to potentially partnering with you.